started on your cranial nerve exam? Okay. What was your name? Okay. And your date of birth? Okay. I'm just gonna get started by just having you look this way. I'm just gonna take a look. Okay. Just keep your eyes looking forward. Okay. Okay, we're just gonna get started on the first test. You're gonna tell me what feeling, if it's sharp, dull, or soft with these tools. Of course, if you have any questions, just let me know. So I'm gonna get started. Okay, I'm gonna have you close your eyes and then just let me know if the feeling is soft, dull, or sharp, okay? Is that soft? Good job. Okay. How about that? Sharp? Good job. Dull. Good job. Do a couple more. How about now? Sharp. Okay. Dull. Good job. Soft. Okay. Excellent. Alright, now I'm gonna test your sense of smell. So yeah, you can open your eyes. We're just gonna test how accurate your sense of smell is. Okay. Now, just go ahead and tell me, what is this smell? Grape, good job. Okay. Go ahead and tell me what this smell is. Citrus or orange, good job. This smell. Okay. You think soap? It's actually cilantro. And one more smell. Okay, how about that? Bubble gum. Good job. Okay. Gonna continue to test the nerves in your face with gentle airflow. So you're just gonna tell me when you feel the air. Now? Okay. Good. Is it hot air or cold? Hot? Okay. How about now? Okay. Now? Cold. Okay. How about now? Okay, just a few more tests. Okay, so I'm just gonna have you look at the squishy turtle. Just keep your focus on the squishy turtle and you're gonna tell me which ear you hear a click by. Okay, ready? Left ear. Good job. Good job. Okay. Now you're just gonna close your eyes and tell me how many clicks you hear. How many clicks was that? Good job. Okay. Keep your eyes closed. Tell me how many times it clicks. How many clicks was that? Good job. Okay, close your eyes. Tell me which ear it clicks by. Good job. Good. 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 Okay. Just gonna follow my fingers, and when they go out of your peripheral vision, just let me know. Just, yeah, say when. Okay. Ready? Good. 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 Okay. Tell me which hand is holding up 3 fingers. Good job. Which hand is holding up 2 fingers? Good job. Which hand is holding up 1 finger? Good job. Okay, how many fingers is my right hand holding up? Good job. How many fingers is my left hand holding up? Good job. How many fingers is my left hand holding up again? Good job. How many fingers is my right hand holding up? Good job. Okay, now we're just gonna have you tell me what color you see. What color is this? Good job. What color is this one? Good job. Okay, I'm gonna have you follow with your eyes the green. Good job. Keep following the green. Good job. Okay, tell me when the green goes out of your peripheral. Good job. Okay. And which hand is the green wand in? Good job. Okay, now I'm gonna have you tell me what shape I am tracing with the pink wand, okay? But you're gonna continue looking this way, so I'm testing our peripheral vision. So keep looking this way. I'll do it one more time. Good job. Here, I can have you look just so you can focus better. You're gonna look at Gudetama, and I'm gonna trace another shape. You're gonna tell me what shape that is while you look at Gudetama. Good job. Okay, now I'm gonna have you tell me what shape this is. Yes, continue looking at Gudetama. Good job. And continue looking at Gudetama. What shape is this? Good job. Okay, one more. What shape is this? Looking Gudetama. Good job. tell me what color you see now. Good job. You're gonna tell me, similar to what we did before, when they go out of your peripheral vision. Good job. Good job. Okay. I'm just gonna have you follow the tip of it with your eyes. Ready? Good. Good job. Good job. Yeah. Okay. And look up here. Okay, look down here. Look over here. Look this way. Okay, tell me when they go out of view. Good job. Good. Good job. Okay. Tell me what number I'm writing. Good job. How about now? Good job. And how about now? Good job. Okay. Okay, tell me what color this is. Good job. And while you're following this with your eyes, tell me how many fingers am I holding up. Good job. Keep following the light and tell me now how many fingers am I holding up. Good job. Tell me now how many fingers am I holding up. Continue following the light. Good job. Tell me now how many fingers I'm holding up. Good job. Okay. So I'm gonna have you just a quick taste test. Can you tell me what this tastes like? Yeah, you're just gonna. Good job. Okay. Now you're gonna tell me. You're gonna look at the ruler and you're gonna tell me which number I'm pointing at. Good job. Good job. This one. Okay. How about now? Okay. Now. Okay. You're just gonna tell me what shape I'm gonna draw on your face. Okay. I'll do it. Good job. Good job. Yeah, I'll do that one. Okay, one more. And what number is this? Good job. Number is this. Okay, this is double digits now. Okay, and one more. Okay, good job. Last but not least, we're gonna test your ability to see colors. Okay. Okay. Tell me how many colors you see. Good job. And what is this color? Good job. This color? Good job. Good job. Good job. Okay. Tell me what that smell is. Good job. Smell. Good job. Okay, real quick, I'm just gonna have you look forward, and I'm just gonna do a quick scan. Look that way, like that. Turn your head that way, perfect. Hold still. Good. Forward one more time. Good job. Keep still. Okay. Perfect. Thank you so much. I will get you the results, and it will be sent in about 48 hours, but usually less than that. Can I get an email? Okay. Gmail. Alrighty. Thank you so much. You have a good one.